Odds are you consider yourself a busy person. You're trying to take care of your own business and others too.
In our continuing coverage, Poverty in Plain Sight, KOMU 8's Angie Bailey had a handful of community members who are considered busy. And I know Angie is one of the busiest people we know. They're busy by any standards, and they got a glimpse at just how time-consuming being in poverty can be.
In my reality, it lasted just a couple of hours. The poverty simulation hosted by Central Missouri Community Action asked us to pretend we acted like a family struggling. We had fake conversations about what help we needed. We filled out phony applications for services and jobs. It wasn't real, except it was, just not for us.
I had some resources, but I couldn't get things lined out and be at the right place at the right time to get what I needed to get done accomplished.
I applied for a job, and I asked, what do I need to do to follow up, and they told me that they would get a hold of me, and I never heard anything back.
And what all did you say you were applying for, sir?
Food stamps, EBT, and housing.
The depressing family facts we were handed upon arrival were real. We played out a slice in the lives of actual moms, dads, children, and senior citizens trying to navigate a huge and complicated assembly of resources designed to help if you can figure out how to use them.
It sounds like you're in a desperate situation.
I think the bottom line is there wasn't anyone to trust.
You start seeking any kind of support you can find.
I was an 8-year-old boy. Our formerly dual-income family was down to one parent working, 3 kids to feed, no health insurance, and a lot of monthly bills.
That's no place to be, believe me, I've been there.
Other families had it worse. Homeless, a disability, no transportation to get help. And that's reality. 28,000 men, women, and kids live in poverty in Boone County, right here. Whether you see them or not, you're passing by them every single day. Most are trying, but the amount of time required to get help,
Yes, sir, I'm sorry. You have to wait in line. It's like everyone else.
and the unexplained intricacies of an overwhelmed system would frustrate and anger anyone. I did see success.
We kept our house.
But I saw far more payday advances and eviction notices. Central Missouri Community Action exists to help guide the poor in our community through the frustrating and slow system. It helped almost 10,000 families in 8 mid-Missouri counties get more than $5.9 million in help last year. CMCA Community Services Director Angela-Hirsch talked with me about her disappointment in our country's public aid system, one that cuts off huge chunks of money to recipients when they get even slightly more money at work. We're talking child care subsidies, rent assistance, and much more, all taken away or significantly reduced if a working mom accepts as little as a 50-cent per hour raise. Hirsch says it's a system with too many penalties for those living in poverty when they try to improve their circumstances.